Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up passcode lock on Telegram to help you secure your chats. So with the passcode lock on Telegram, when you open Telegram with the passcode lock, you need to enter your 4-digit passcode to unlock your Telegram chats. This adds an extra layer of security to your Telegram chats. So this is how to set it up. Open Telegram and tap on the 3 horizontal line at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on settings in this section and tap on privacy and security. Here you're going to see passcode lock. Tap on this and tap on enable passcode. Enter a 4-digit passcode and enter to confirm the 4-digit passcode again. Your passcode should be created. Now under the passcode lock, you should now see change passcode. If you wish to change your passcode, auto lock, which you can specify when it will automatically lock. Select in this section and tap on done. Here you also see the app content in task switcher. So if you have this disabled, chat content will be hidden in the task switcher, but you won't be able to take screenshots in the app. You can also turn off the passcode if you wish to turn it off. You can effect any of these changes when you come back to passcode. Once you have the passcode lock set up, at the top right corner of your chat, you'll see the padlock. Tap on this and your chat will be put on lock. You will need to enter your passcode to open your chat. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.